to license it.
Meep, meep.
Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Matchbox Makeovers. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is my whole summer lineup of restoration cars. An advance preview for you, beginning with this Matchbox Road Dragster that's been heavily kid painted and is in need of a cleanup, but that's what this channel is all about. Here's a Welly Lamborghini Murciélago. I love my exotics, and this one needs some TLC as well. I think a wheel swap will be coming. Stay tuned for that. These are all going to be my regular Saturday uploads. By special request of a viewer of my channel is the Matchbox fire pump truck. It's missing a ladder on this side here, and I think I might have something I can use in my junk box. It's a common casting, but I haven't done one yet. And continuing the theme of first responders, I've got a Matchbox Ford LTD police cruiser. This one makes me think of my friend Chip, the die-cast sheriff, whose absence has been strongly felt in the hobby community. Chip, if you're still watching my videos, I hope you're doing great, and I look forward to having you back. There's a cruiser coming up just for you. And here's a Dodge Charger 500. This is going to be a part of a buddy build that I'm doing together with my friend Cole from Kuda's Diecast Customs. Look for this in mid-August. At this point, I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with each car. I've just picked them out, and I've got lots of time to think it over and consider what my moves are going to be, including on this Majorette Citroën C4 WRC. I think I'll keep it in some kind of rally car livery because that's what I think of when I see this car. Wouldn't be the summer without a beach buggy. And this one doesn't even roll. It's got a missing headlamp. Oh, it needs a lot of work. But yeah, I'll put it on the bench near the end of the summer. And that'll be almost a wrap up. But there's one epic build, and it's this right here. Look at this big mama jama. I've got a Super Kings Matchbox Texaco tanker, and I'm going to turn this into a full Gaslands war rig. It'll take me most of the summer on and off poking away at it, and I'll put some regular updates on my Instagram channel so you can see the progress that I make. But make sure to like this video and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of these uploads. I wish you a nice summer, as my wife and I will be touring her homeland of Austria. Take care and be well, and come on back soon and often. It's coffee time.